हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, चलो तो हमारा टॉपिक चल रहा है पॉलिनोमियल एंड पॉलिनोमियल में हमें आज देखना है एक्सरसाइज 2.3 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 6। ओके, एक्सरसाइज 2.3 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 6। 5 क्वेश्चन नंबर तक हमने सॉल्व किया था। आज देखेंगे हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। तो द क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज द पॉलिनोमियल kx to the power 4 plus 3x to the power 3 plus 6 when divided by x minus 2. Okay, this is the first polynomial and this is divisor. Leaves a remainder which is double the remainder left by the polynomial. This is also second polynomial and this one is the divisor of that polynomial. So find the value of k. तो हमें यहाँ पे k की वैल्यू फाइंड करना है। So फर्स्ट केस में कहते हैं this is polynomial and this one is divisor. तो ये जो इसका जो रिमाइंडर आता है that remainder is double of the remainder of this. Okay, so इसका जो रिमाइंडर आएगा उससे उसका रिमाइंडर कैसे है? डबल. So first of all write down here polynomial. First one is a of x. Okay, suppose p of x. Suppose p of x is equal to, suppose या p of x डायरेक्टली लिखना है, p of x is equal to first polynomial. p of x is equal to the value of polynomial is kx to the power 4 plus 3x to the power 3 plus 6. 4 kx to the power 4 plus 3x to the power 3 plus 6 and the divisor is denoted by g of x. So the value of g of x is x minus 2. The value of g of x is equal to x minus 2. So by using remainder theorem, remainder theorem, remainder is equal to remainder of this is r1. Okay, so r1 is equal to p of 2. So p of 2 is the remainder. By using remainder theorem, remainder is p of 2, क्योंकि यहाँ x minus a के बदले 2 काम कर रहा है, so p of 2. Therefore r1 is equal to p of 2. x के बदले 2 पुट करना है, so p of 2 is nothing but 4 into 2 to the power 4 plus 3 into 2 cube and then plus 6. So therefore r1 is equal to k into 2 to the power 4 means 16. 2 का 4 times multiplication, that is 16 plus 3 into 2 cube is equal to 8 plus 6, which is equal to, therefore r1 is equal to 16k plus 3 8s are 24 plus 6, and therefore r1 is equal to 16k plus 30. 16k plus 30. Say this equation number 1. Now the second polynomial is q of x. Now q of x is equal to, second polynomial is denoted by q of x, and which is equal to 2x to the power 3 plus 17x plus k, and the divisor is x minus 2. Divisor is denoted by g of x, that's why g of x is equal to x minus 2. So here by using remainder theorem, the remainder is r2. By using remainder theorem, the remainder of that is denoted by r2, and r2 is equal to q of 2. x minus a के बदले कौन काम कर रहा है? 2. so q of 2 पुट करना है, x के बदले 2 पुट करना है, so that is the remainder of this polynomial. Okay, therefore r2 is equal to, x के बदले 2 पुट करना है, that is 2 into 2 to the power 3 plus 17 into 2 plus k, which is equal to 2 into 2 cube is nothing but 8 plus 17 2s are 34 plus k. Okay, 8 into 2, that is 16 plus 34 plus k. This is r2. Therefore r2 is equal to 16 plus 30 means 50 plus k. Okay, say this equation number 2. Now by using according to the given condition, so write down here according to the given condition, according to the given condition. So what is the condition? So the given condition is the polynomial this when divided by x minus 2 leaves a remainder which is double. So remainder r1 जो है r1 वो कैसा है, डबल है. डबल मीन्स टू टाइम्स इसके टू टाइम्स is double the remainder left by the polynomial this when divided by x minus 2. So r2 से डबल होगा r1. So r1 is equal to 2r2. Okay, so put the values of r1 and r2 from equation number 1 and equation number 2. So the value of r1 is nothing but 16k plus 30. Therefore write down 16k plus 30 is equal to 2 into what is the value of r2? r2 is nothing but 50 plus k. 50 plus k. Okay, so write down 50 plus k as it is. So we will get next 16k plus 30. Therefore 16k plus 30 is equal to 2 into 50, that is 100, and 2 into k, that is 2k plus 2k. k वाले टर्म्स एक साइड में एंड कांस्टेंट टर्म एक साइड है. सो 16k ये प्लस 2k माइनस 2k हो जाएगा इज इक्वल टू 100 माइनस 30, दैट इज ये कितना आएगा 14k. 14k इज इक्वल टू 100 माइनस 30 इज 70. ओके, therefore k is equal to 70 upon 14. 14 5s are, therefore k is equal to 5. So the value of k is nothing but 5. तो इस टाइप ये वाला क्वेश्चन करना था, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. नेक्स्ट we are going to solve the question number 7. So the question number 7 is let r1 and r2 be the remainder. Let r1 and r2 be the remainder. Okay, when the polynomial x cube plus 2x square, when the polynomial x cube plus 2x square minus 5x plus 7. Okay, this is the first polynomial, and x cube plus ax square, then minus 12x plus 6 are divided by x plus 1 are divided by x plus 1 and x minus 2. Both are divided by x plus 1, are divided by x plus 1 and x minus 2 respectively. If r1 minus r2 is equal to 20, if the given condition is r1 minus r2 is equal to 20, then find the value of a. Then find the value of a. So इस वाले क्वेश्चन पे क्या करना है, हमें a की वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. So the given there are two polynomials and two divisors. First polynomial is x cube plus 2x square minus 5x plus 7, and the second polynomial is x cube plus ax square minus 12x plus 6. Okay, the divisor of this polynomial is x plus 1 and divisor of this polynomial is x minus 2, and the important condition is r1 minus r2 subtraction of two remainder is equal to 20. Then we have to find the value of a. So write down first one here, solution of question number 7. Let p of x is equal to, the first polynomial is x cube plus 2x square. So x cube plus 2x square minus 5ax plus 7. This is the first polynomial, and the divisor is respectively बोला means इसका divisor x plus a. So divisor g of x is equal to x plus 1. But x minus a के फॉर्म में लिखना है. So x plus 1 can be written as x minus of minus 1. Okay, x minus of minus 1. Therefore, by using remainder theorem, remainder of this is r1 and r1 is equal to, so remainder कितना रहेगा, that is x माइनस ए के बदले कौन है -1, सो x के बदले -1 पुट करना है, दैट इज p ऑफ -1 इज द रिमाइंडर। देयरफॉर r1 इज इक्वल टू x के बदले -1 पुट कर लो यहाँ पे, तो -1 क्यूब प्लस 2 इंटू -1 स्क्वायर, 2 इंटू -1 स्क्वायर माइनस 5a इंटू -1 प्लस 7, so -1 cube is equal to -1 plus 2 into -1 square is equal to 1, minus minus become plus, 5a into 1 means 5a and then plus 7, so which is equal to -1, 2 ones are 2 plus 5a plus 7 is equal to 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1 plus 5a and then plus 7, 7 plus 1 is equal to 8 plus 5a, okay, not 13a, क्योंकि यहाँ पे a वाला टर्म नहीं है, that's two are unlike terms, that's why r1 is equal to 8 plus 5a. Say this equation number 1. Now in second case there is another one polynomial. Now second q of x is the another polynomial, and that polynomial is x cube plus ax square, x cube plus ax square minus 12x plus 6, minus 12x plus 6 is the another polynomial, and whose divisor is x plus x minus 2. u of x means divisor is equal to x minus 2. So according to the which theorem? Remainder theorem, like this. Therefore by using remainder theorem, okay, by using remainder theorem, who is the remainder? q of 2, क्योंकि x minus a के बदले कौन है 2, that's why q of 2 is the remainder, and remainder is denoted by r2, okay, remainder is denoted by r2, therefore r2 is equal to q of 2 आएगा, so x के बदले यहाँ पे क्या पुट करना है 2 पुट करना है, therefore r2 is equal to x के बदले 2 means 2q, write down 2q plus a into 2 square minus 12 into 2 plus 6, okay, so 2 cube is equal to 8 plus a into 2 square is equal to 4 minus 12 to the 24 plus 6, this will be 4a, a into 4 means 4a, 8 plus 6 means 14 and then minus 24, so which is equal to 4a, 14 minus 24 minus 10, okay, this is r2, so we will get r2 is equal to this, say this equation number second. And now according to the given condition, from the given condition and from the given condition, so which is given condition? So the given condition is difference between two remainder is equal to 20, r1 minus r2 is equal to 20, so write down here first, r1 minus r2 is equal to 20, r1 minus r2 is equal to 20, therefore what is the value of r1? r1 is nothing but 8 plus 5a, so write down here 8 plus 5a minus r2 is nothing but 4a minus 10, and which is equal to 20, ये वैल्यू कहाँ से ली है? फ्रॉम 1 and 2, इक्वेशन नंबर 2 से एंड इक्वेशन नंबर 1 से दोनों का वैल्यू पुट किया, बाद में हम कैलकुलेशन करना है, सो 8 प्लस 5a माइनस 4a माइनस माइनस प्लस 10 इज इक्वल टू 20, ओके, सो 5a माइनस 4a दैट इज 1a प्लस 8 प्लस 10 मीन्स 18 इज इक्वल टू 20, so a plus वाला 18 क्या हो जाएगा? minus 18, that is a is equal to 20 minus 18, and therefore a is equal to, so the value of a is nothing but 2. so इस टाइप आपको ये वाला क्वेश्चन करना था, बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन था, बाय यूजिंग रिमाइंडर थ्योरम सभी क्वेश्चन आपको क्या करना है? सॉल्व करना है, इजी, ओनली आपको थोड़ा सा लॉजिक लगाना है यहाँ पे, ठीक है। चलो तो फ्रेंड्स, बेस्ट ऑफ लक, थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी।